Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you this LED UV flashlight that you can buy on Amazon. This is a very useful flashlight to have around the house. You will be able to open it, and as you can see, it is going to have the batteries inside right here. So this is going to be very easy to use. As you can see, you have 3 batteries. You are going to pop this in, and then you are going to close it, and you have the button right here that can actually activate the UV light. As you can see, very powerful UV light. And I'm going to show you this watch that has a secret message once you put the UV flashlight on it. So I'm going to switch off the light and show you how that looks. As you can see, this is how it looks in the dark, and as you can see, the powerful flashlight already activated the lume on this watch, and it has a secret message that, as you can see, I can activate with this flashlight. As you can see, we have a nice message there, and also you can see that everything that is white is going to look very awesome in this light, so in this UV flashlight. So this can be a very cool trick for parties. You can also use it around the house for other purposes. For example, if you have animals and you want to check for stains, you can use this. So this is a very useful and cool thing that you can grab on Amazon, so definitely consider it. So guys, that was the video that I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch unboxing videos, I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy it. As you can see, I have a bunch of other watches that I'm going to unbox, present, review on this YouTube channel, so I'm pretty sure you are going to love it here. And also, if you are into vintage watches, guys, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.